Okay, common gaming here. I'm gonna show you this Fuggler unboxing. This one looks like Chewbacca from, from Star Wars, sort of. Yeah, I like this one. Or it looks like a Ewok too. It's cute. Alright, I'm gonna unbox this. This is a common. There's the back. It was $5 at a dollar store. I'm gonna get more of these. Try to get all the common ones. And then I'll try to look for those surprise bags again. They're sold out. Thanks. They got sold out fast with those. People love surprise bags. And then I'll just get this. And let's open this up and see what the back looks like. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna keep this in my room. Some of them keep in my room. Others I have other parts of the room, other parts of the house. I don't know. I just like doing that. Make them look like they're alive. And look at the back button. I like how they have the back button there. So cute. I like Fugglers. But it's too bad this one's not furry. This one should be. But yeah, the texture of the plastic's good. It's made out of recycled plastic, out of recycled bottles. And I like this one. It's cute. Yeah, this one's cute. I like this. In the bottom, there's some glue. I don't know why they put glue right there. That does not make sense. And the bottom of it says 2024 on it. And then it says it was made in 2025. This is the copyright year was 2024. Doesn't mean it was made in 2024. It just has a copyright. So, there. This is cute. I like this. I plan on getting more of these. They're only $5, or you can get them at Walmart or on Amazon, or at your local toy store that sells Fuggler. So it's from Spin Master Company owns it. So yeah, it's really cute. And the back of it, it was made. The date code says April of 2025. It was made. Okay. But it says copyright 2024. But they always have to have a copyright on it. I like it. This is a UK design, but then Spin Master Canadian company took it over. And yeah, it's really nice. I like it. And this one has 44 to collect, and this one's a common, of course, because it's not in a bag. And yeah, this was really good. I'm going to try to get all these because you never know. In the future, it could be worth thousands. Yeah, just like, the collection of the Teen Y beanies. Those, the original ones of those are worth a lot. So, you never know. Wait 25 years from now, and this probably worth a lot. You never know. So, yeah, I like these. They're cute. I'm going to keep these because I like them. And, yeah. Well, that's it. That's me for now. Scott McGee showing off. Peace, guys. And... Hello. Dude, you were speaking Chewbacca language. Now you're like, I learned how to talk. I learned English. Hello. So you could talk to Chewbacca too. Yes. And I could translate what he says. Fuggler. Love this. This is so cute. Look at the human teeth.